Hello everybody, if your touchpad is not working and you need to fix that on your Windows 10 or 11, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process. So it is pretty quick and easy. What we can do is we can go to our device manager, you can go to the search directly and type in device manager and open it up within your control panel. Once you open it up, you can just go ahead and look out for your mouses here, which is mice and other pointing devices. Find it up and expand it. And then once you expand it up, what we can do is we can just go ahead and update a bud driver for a mouse or anything. Go to the mouse, right click on it, go over and look out for update driver, and go ahead and search automatically for drivers, and that should install the base drivers for your device. And again, just one by one follow if there are more than one mouse or any other pointing devices available. Apart from that, you can follow up the same process for human interface devices as well. Drop this option down and look out for your touchpad here. Once you find it up, right click on it, go to update driver. From update driver, search automatically for drivers and best driver will be installed. If not this, again head over, right click on it, go to update driver, and this time search for browse my computers for driver and locate and install the driver manually from your device. And click on next, and that will successfully update your drivers for your touchpad. So that is it. These are the methods you can follow up. But even if that doesn't work, what we can do is right click on it, go ahead and click on uninstall device and complete it up, and go over to action and go ahead and look out for scan for hardware changes, and that will show you your filter driver for touchpad again, and you can even restart your computer before doing so. So these are the methods you can follow up if you'd like to fix your touchpad not working on your Windows 11 or 10. So I hopefully wish this works for you.